Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about zwitterionic form of amino acid. So here actually amino acid consists of a carbon atom which is called alpha carbon, to which all the groups are attached, that is acidic group, carboxylic group, amino group, and hydrogen, and R group. This is variable group. This variable group varies from one type of amino acid to another type of amino acid, but this hydrogen is constant in all different types of amino acids. Okay, so here amino acid is forming different structures, that is we can say A form according to NCERT, B form and C form. It is forming different structures when an amino acid is present in the solution having different pH. So the structure of an amino acid depends upon the pH of the solution in which that amino acid is dissolved. Okay, now let's see the pH scale first. So here pH scale, we know pH scale. So pH scale ranges between 0 to 14. So here this is neutral pH, before 7 this is acidic pH, and above 7 and in between 14 it is basic pH of the solution. Okay, now let's study what type of structure is formed by an amino acid in different pH of a solution. Okay, let's say a solution is with acidic pH. Now an amino acid is present in a solution in an acidic solution. So in acidic solution what happens actually, protons are more, that means H plus ions are more than OH minus ions. So in that case protons are available, more and more number of protons are available. So that protons will go and join with this amino group. So amino group is becoming protonated. That means amino acid has become protonated amino acid. So the structure of amino acid will have now NH3 plus COOH. This is anyway variable group. This is hydrogen. So during acidic medium, when the amino acid is present in acidic medium, it has become protonated. So this A form of amino acid is formed when the amino acid is present in acidic medium. Now coming to neutral pH, that is pH 7. So neutral pH, when the amino acid is present in the solution with neutral pH, what happens? Hydrogen present in this carboxylic group of amino acid will be removed. So when this hydrogen is removed, what happens? This is neutral pH, no? Neutral pH is nothing but isoelectric point. This is the point where both the charges must be equal. So plus this is positive and negative charges have become equal. So now it has become, due to the release of one proton, it has become deprotonated. So in this condition the amino acid has become deprotonated, due to which this zwitterionic form of an amino acid is formed. So what is zwitterionic form? Zwitterionic form of an amino acid is nothing but the amino acid which consists of both the positive and negative charges in it is called as zwitterionic form of an amino acid. So when this zwitterionic form of an amino acid is formed, when the amino acid is present in a solution with neutral pH, zwitterionic form of an amino acid is formed. Right? Now coming to basic pH. When the amino acid is present in a solution with basic pH, that is, let's say the pH of the solution is 12, basic pH. So pH of the solution is 12. In this case what happens? OH minus ions are more in this solution than H plus ions, and hence to neutralize these OH minus ions, again some more protons are released from amino acids. That means the proton which is present in this group, that is amino group NH3 plus, from NH3 plus proton is released. Okay, so that it has become NH2 amino group, right? So C form of an amino acid, the amino acid which is with only negative charge is present in this is formed when the amino acid is present in a solution with basic pH. This Victor ionic form of an amino acid is formed when that amino acid is present in a solution with neutral pH, that is at isoelectric point. Okay, next coming to this A form of an amino acid, that means the amino acid with only positive charge is formed when that amino acid is present in the solution with acidic pH. So this is about 3 forms of amino acid given in NCERT, and this is the reason why they are forming different structures. So now we can conclude that in different solutions of different pH, the structure of the amino acid is changing from one form to another form, that is from A form to B form and B form to C form. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you, students.